What do we have here? Another box to open. Welcome back to 21 Moto, where we recently got a Yamaha MT09 SP. Beautiful bike. I love riding it. And this is the next modification we're going to do. So let's open it. It's obviously coming from the Yoshimura vendor. Some wrapping, of course. Invoice. Ooh, I got two things in this one. But this is the 20 decibel, what is it called? Sound killer, sound insert. The Yoshimura Alpha Sound Insert Kit, INS-20-K. So this is going to go into the exhaust that we got for the bike to make it not too loud. I think it's still going to be super loud, but it'll make it not so loud. But what we're going to install today is this. This is the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator kit. This is going to get rid of this monstrosity back here. What's in the box? And there is the Fender Eliminator kit. Okay, so here's the first item. There is the, I think this goes in, I think this part goes into the bike. And this is where the cables for the light come out. And I believe those two go there. And then this probably goes across the top here for the license plate, or some variation of that. So this is what the tail light looks like now. As you can see from the top view, it is quite, it sticks out a lot. From the back of the seat right here to here, I mean, it's like, I don't know, I'd say almost a foot past the taillight, right? So by the time we're done, these indicators should be like up here somewhere. And I guess let me show you what it looks like from the side. So see how much it sticks out? Like all that part, it's a lot. It's gonna change the whole look of the back of the bike. It's gonna look more lean and mean, like a little wasp tail right here, as opposed to, look at that giant thing. Jeez, crazy. Anyway, so we're gonna eliminate that fender, and our license plate will be up here, and the indicator should be like up here somewhere. Nothing too crazy. We're gonna keep these stock lights because they're great. They look fine. They're not like the big orange bulbs that motorcycles used to come with. Since this channel is not really a how-to channel, we're talking about actually how to live with this bike. And I'm not a mechanic. I'm not an expert. I'm gonna fumble my way through making this happen. I'm just gonna show you the before and after and save your time of watching some amateur trying to work on this bike. So let me get this done and I'll show you the results when I'm done. Alrighty, it's done after a few hours. We're just kind of shooting the stuff with my son, and it was fun to get him out here to turn a wrench with me in the garage. It's family time, right? Family building. It's cool to share that experience with my son of like working on the bike together, even though it's just a tail tidy kit. It was super fun to walk him through doing bolts and making sure it doesn't cross thread stuff, and kind of teaching him as we have fun setting this bike up. So there it is. Check out my fake license plate. But it works. It's ready to go. There it is. Illuminated license plate like it's required by law. Right, there's a stock taillights. There it is. there it is, just like that. It's done. The Yoshimura base tail tidy kit. It lets you use your own blinkers. All right, you get a whole lot more tire, and you can look down into the suspension there a little bit, right? So this actually looks pretty cool. Let's do a little side angle. Move this slide over. There you go. See how it's a lot cleaner. Yeah, it's like the whole section that was back here. It was like this far, hung out this far out. It's super clean now. Look at that thing. Actually makes the bike look a little shorter, a little stubbier. That's so cool. Look at that thing. Sheesh. Yeah, that tail looks nice. For sure. Yeah. I like it way better this way. Sheesh. It is done. Look at that thing. It looks so nice. No more stuff hanging out to the back over here. It looks so nice. It makes it look so short. I mean, shorter and more compact. The furthest thing that sticks out is the tire. I like it. I mean, it's probably gonna get. It might get. I might get water or something on my back. I'm not sure. It spins this. Yeah, it'll probably bring up water. Rooster tail. So that's not good, but we'll see how it happens. If we need to put on some kind of little fender, we'll add a little fender here or something. But maybe just something that goes over the wheel. I don't know. But I love the way it looks. It looks so good. But that's it. The Yamaha MT09 second mod, which is the tail tidy kit. The first mod was these mirrors. I like the mirrors. I rode it today, so I was able to play with the mirrors, and I love them. The next mod is, of course, this one. This is the Yoshimura AT2 exhaust. So if you're interested in watching that video and watching the unboxing, I'm not going to do a step-by-step installation video. I don't do that kind of stuff. I'm just going to show you the unboxing. You can see what it looks like. We're going to do a sound check before the exhaust goes on, and then after the exhaust is on, so you get to hear the difference from stock and non-stock. And actually, I got the Yoshimura 20K dB killer. So this will make the bike not too loud. For sure, I want the bike to be louder than stock, but I don't want it to be too loud. I just like to hear the snap, crackle, and pop. And dude, it's gonna make this bike perfect for me. I'm getting excited. I'm getting excited just thinking about it. So yeah, exhaust is going on with the 20K dB killer Yoshimura. If you've watched this far into the video, make sure you leave the word tidy in your comment so I know you watched all the way to the end. Okay, so if you want to watch me install the Yoshimura, or you want to hear the sound check before and after, we're doing that here in this video next. Watch that next, and I'll see you over there. Thanks.